Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to draw a person lying down, upside down, or lying down on the belly side. So what we have is a quick exercise in which we're just going to explore one angle, and that is as we're looking at the person lying down right here, and we're looking at them pretty much from the straight angle, but there will be some foreshortening involved, some perspective going in there. That's the surface. Let's have the person lie down on the surface. So we need to do the framework first. Okay, so that is the curvature of the back. The head will be somewhere around here. For now, we might change the angle a little bit. Shoulder, arm, hand. Excuse me. So we can imagine the other shoulder behind the head. Hand, elbow, forearm, and the other hand. So it's a very natural pose, like hand on hand and the head resting on top. But then we have the back, which will end there. We have the lower torso, and we will place the legs in a certain position, and we'll see what we do with this. To start off, let's actually place the head first. So this also can come with different options, but right now we have the head here, and in this perspective let's make sure that eyes, nose, and mouth, so going downward sort of, and then we place the arm, so depending on which hand goes on top of which, let's have this hand just go on top for now. The fingers are not visible there, but you could draw the fingers if their head is raised. And we'll have the other hand coming right under this one, show a little hint of the finger here, palm, and going back into the elbow. And then of course that is the back, going into the lower part of the body, and there is the leg. And we could just put the leg right out. Now we're looking at it from the straight angle, but from slightly tilted angle as well actually. So we're looking at it from this perspective, like this. So there's a foreshortening aspect coming in, where we can just do this much to get the foot into the view. Now the different things that we can do with this, we can show a hint of the other foot like that. It's really natural to see that. You could also have, let's say there's somebody lounging and having fun, and we've often seen these images. So shin and calf. So let's actually do a cross-legged thing. So let's have and then the other leg sort of like that. Or we could put this on top of the one leg on top of the other. It doesn't really, well, it does matter, but it's if it's cross-legged, it's cross-legged. And we could also have the head placed like that, and it's very customary for people to do this. So chin resting on the hands, most likely looking forward. So eyes, nose, and mouth. So nose, eyes, and mouth right there. There's the chin. So the neck has to be highlighted there a little bit. And then in that case, of course, the fingers, if they remain there, are going to show just that much. So not too much can be done, and it's very characteristic to put the arms down like that instead of having the arm on the side. Not very instrumental in making a dynamic image. This one works better. So just to highlight the core sketch, let's say right here. So let's say we pick the second option that we just laid down. We would go about it like that. So, fingers can also show like that. So hint of the other fingers as well could actually enhance the image. So really customary to be like casual in this sort of pose and have the legs going up like that. So please do try it out. You could try like Google Images and see what works best for you. And of course, sorry, I forgot to mention that the arms placement. So if you're looking at a slightly different angle, the arms placement might even go as far as that. That might be actually more accurate from this angle than the previous one we placed. So that's another food for thought. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.